What is up, my people? It is yet another day at the shop, and today we're working on Dad's truck for Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all of you guys. It's not Father's Day yet, but this video will be airing on Father's Day. Gotta give a big shout out to all the dads out there, man. It's nothing like being a dad. I love being a dad, man. But yeah, today, it's the last thing I want to do. I just got off of work, and I'm working day shift. I go back to nights tomorrow, so all I want to do is relax. But Dad has been bugging me about this damn train horn. I bought this dude probably when I was like 15 or 16 years old. I bought it for him for Christmas, man, long time ago. It's still kicking, and we thought the compressor finally shit the bed, but I don't think it did. I think it was just leaking air out of one of the fittings. But Hornblasters has been awesome company to deal with over the years. They've warranted parts, even though it's way out of the warranty window, man. They sent us parts, they sent us regulators, they sent us pressure switches, all kinds of stuff, man. So if you guys are looking for a train horn, I definitely recommend Hornblasters. But right now we're gonna get underneath there, and I'm gonna show you guys the setup, because it's like a custom setup. The way we have the train horn mounted, it's a pretty badass setup, man. The train horn's loud as shit. It's probably the worst things I ever bought this guy, man, because he is just honking this horn everywhere. So he hasn't had his horn in a minute, and he's quite depressed about it. So I'm not gonna tell him I fixed it. He's been asking me to fix it, and I'm not gonna tell him. He's gonna show up one day and be like, "Hey, man, what about the train horn?" I'm gonna be like, "Honk it," and cause I'm a good son like that. But I'll show you guys right now. And I kind of want to get under here I haven't been under here in a while. Oh, it's not passenger side. So yep, this is it. So I don't know, maybe it is just 4 bolts. Thankfully this truck is huge, so it should be fairly easy to get out of here. I have a bunch of room, so looks like there's just 4 bolts. I'll go put this badass bracket in here. I'll probably take this drain cock off, so I'm not fighting to get it off. But yeah, looks like just 4 bolts. And then my Hornblaster sent us out a new compressor for the top, so I'm probably gonna do that. And yeah, once I get it out, man, I'll show you guys exactly what we have to do. Yeah, remember all that bullshit I was just talking about, being a good son? Bro, that was 20 minutes ago. I had to remove the whole damn truck exhaust to get this fucker out of there. Uncle Mike, I appreciate you. And you engineering this shit the way you did. Bro, badass bracket. You can't get the motherfucker out without moving the exhaust. Golly. All right. Dad, I hope you watch this video. All right, boys, this is the old pump. This is what we just got off. Freaking damn near old as me. This was the only thing that was leaking. It was leaking out of the tank right there. Cut the wires off. Got the new pump installed. See, looks all fresh and badass. The only thing that's different on this one is this one has an inlet air filter, which the other one didn't have. So I'm gonna have to remotely mount something, probably up here above the pump, just to keep the air out of it. I mean, keep the water out of it. But yeah, things ready to go back in the truck. Now I gotta put all the damn, I'm gonna put this on there, air the horn up, and test it before I put the exhaust back on, because I ain't doing all this shit for nothing. Ain't no way. All right, boys, got the compressor all installed underneath the truck. Got it all put back together, but I do not have the exhaust on yet, because I wanna make sure this thing works, and I wanna make sure I don't have to pull it off again. So this is the pump. Got it all rigged up, got it all zip tied nice and neat, and then I mounted the new remote air filter up here, and then I got it right here above everything else. So I don't know if they want to put that inside the cab, but I ain't doing all that. And this truck is pretty clean under here, considering all the rocks and everything he goes through. But yeah, it's all rigged up, so now it's a moment of truth. We're gonna go ahead and prime the pump and see if it works. But I don't know because this truck has been sitting a while, so hopefully the battery isn't too dead and we can prime it. Yeah, the switch is up here. Badass. Already working. Damn, that pump is quiet, man. I didn't think it was working. Oh yeah, it's working. It's way quieter than the other one. Wow. That is badass. So now we're gonna let it run, and we're gonna make sure that it holds pressure. Make sure it doesn't leak. I'm gonna spray down all the fittings and everything too, and make sure everything is good. Yeah, horn's already getting air. That's awesome. Before, the pump wasn't even pumping up anymore, so should be good to go. Ow! Man, that thing went quick. I hope you like it, Dad, because this job is a pain in the ass. All right, boys, she's holding pressure, and I dumped all the air, it rebuilt back up, and it's holding pressure. That sucker's loud. So now Dad has his train horn back that he's had ever since, man, 2014, 2015. I know he'll be happy, so I gotta put all this exhaust back on. So I don't think I'm gonna end it here. I think I'm gonna be able to get Dad's reaction of me doing it. I'm not gonna tell him. I know he's gonna be excited because he doesn't have to do it. So yeah, we'll fast forward to that. What's up, guys? It's the next day. Dad just called me and he goes, "Hey man, you fixed it or what?" I was like, "Fix what?" He's like, my horn works." I was like, "Yeah." I fixed it last night, man. It was a pain in the ass, but I fixed it. He goes, "Man, I appreciate it, son," and everything like that. So that made me happy, man. Made it worth it. I didn't get to film it for y'all because I knew Dad was gonna figure it out before I got to be able to film him, but he was super excited about it. Super happy to have his horn back. So thank you guys for checking out this video with me, man. I'm definitely gonna be doing random videos like this, start filming more, and just get back on the YouTube grind, man. I greatly appreciate it. Shout out to all the dads out there, man. Happy Father's Day to all of y'all. Y'all mean more than y'all know, for sure, 100%. June is Men's Awareness Month, and just want any of y'all to know, if y'all are going down a dark path, man, I've been there, done that. Things always get better, man. At the end of the tunnel, there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. If you guys ever need anyone to talk to, man, hit me up on Instagram, ReyesBuilt. I'll be glad to talk with y'all, man. Always reach out to someone, bro. It's not worth doing, you know, things that cannot be undone. So again, happy Father's Day to all of the dads out there, man. Thank y'all for checking out today's video. Drop a thumbs up. We're gonna be making a shitload of more content, man. We back. See you guys on the next video, man. It's your boy ReyesBuilt. Peace out.